It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're old, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit right here, and it's the Outre Shireen unit, and I got it in the color DR Copper Orange. And this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I don't know why you want to put heat in it. I don't know, but whatever floats your boat. And it comes with a natural baby hair. So this is the unit. Do you see the color? Like what? But yeah, it comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it has a 5-inch parting space, and it has baby hair. On the stock card it says natural baby hair, but there is nothing natural about that. Like, these are like bangs. Is that natural? Not to me. But yes, I love how the color is like dark root. You know, dark root colors units are just bomb because it blends in, you know. But the lace is a little, it's not even a little, it's a lot white. But we ain't gonna front about that because we're gonna work on that. So I'm gonna try her on, and I didn't even adjust the straps because I want to see how friendly it is, if it's big hair friendly. So this is what she looks like. This is the hairline, which is not bad, and the lace is ear to ear. That is definitely a plus. You can see it, that's the hairline. And I didn't adjust the straps, and it fit very snug. So I would say it is big head associate, as Cara Sean says, it's big head associate. So you're gonna have to, for my big hair girls, is gonna be squeezing your hair just a tad bit. But for the style and the color, look at the curls. I love the curls. So I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is what Shireen looks like after I cut the lace, and I put a little bit of powder in the parting space, you know. And I had to work a little bit. I had to work a little hard to blend that lace, and which I feel like it looks nice. And I love the curls. Oh, I forgot. I got this hair from Elevate Style for $27.99, and I love how it's like asymmetrical, if I'm saying that word right. But I just love the length and the curls, and don't get me started on the color. Like, would you buy Shireen? I definitely recommend her. And check out Beauty with Junie B. She have this hair in, I believe it's either the cinnamon wine color, and that color is just awesome. When I saw her video, I was like, I got to have her. I added it to my cart, and with shedding, I'm getting like few strands here and there, probably because I cut the lace too close. But I love Shireen. Like, I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like. But yeah, so guys, let me know what you think of Shireen. As for me, you already know I love it. The party space is great. It's a great length because where I live, it has been hot. Like hot. And I don't need anything past my shoulder. And then you just anything longer than my shoulder, you just bothering me. But this length is great. So if you're new to this channel, how about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man tonight.